Hi friends, and we are so happy that you are here with us. Today we will show you how to make a call, a video or a usual call on an Instagram account. So let's go to the button if this topic is interesting. So the first step is to enable our Instagram app. We are on the home page right now, so let's go to the direct messages history after clicking on this right top corner of the screen. And to choose use the needful interlocutor, I will tap on the first friend here, and we have two different options to click: is the phone icon or the camera icon at the top. Also, we don't have any difference between them because we can smoothly switch between these two modes later. And I will tap on the first option here. Right now I will enable this conversation on my second phone to show you all of the options you can do. So the first part of the screen is your own part, and the second one is your friend's part. So the first option you can smoothly do is to activate your camera. In this way you can do it without any troubles, and after picking on this third option you can rotate your camera to another one. Okay, I will disable this feature right now to show you the next options. So at the center we have the specific feature to turn on or disable our microphone, to, as an example, mute us, and to activate the silent mode. In the same way you can do it only for you to mute your friend, definitely. Okay, so right now it's really very simple to manage, but don't forget also that after you will click on the camera feature, you will have 3 additional options to add some masks, as an example, if you want. Later you can also choose some color filters for your camera, and to activate touch up. You can manage this option after dragging the selector down or bottom, up or down, sorry, to the top or to the bottom of the appeared bar, which is really very simple to do. To disable these options later, you just need to pick on the effect, scroll down to the at the beginning of the list and pick on the cross to disable each of the masks. Later, to disable each of the filters, you can make the same actions, like to swipe the appeared menu at the very beginning and click on the crossed circle, and later you can disable the touch up feature after picking on it, just after picking on it. Amazing! In the same way, when you will it's not really important, you can make the activated camera or disabled. You can also add some media option to share it with your friends. So I will go to the saved section and tap on the needful reel, as an example, or post I want to share with my friend. Remember that please that this media is from Instagram app. And right now I have the same icon shared with my friends too, and my friend can check this video with me. We can talk about it, which is really very convenient and really very cool. After to disable this option, I just need to find my friend here, and I need to pick on the remove inscription at the top to disable this mode and turn off my media transmission. Later I can add Later I can add some friend to our conversation, so I will have the whole of my friends, all of my followers and followings here, and I can also find the needful person using the search bar at the top. Remember that you can do this only in the Instagram app, so this is only Instagram users. I won't pick on the call here because right now I will have some troubles with internet, which will be really very difficult to show you, but it's really very simple. Just you need to pick on the call option opposite the needful person you want to add to the conversation, and later after clicking on the settings you will have some two additional options like share your link and also find people which are added to the conversation right now currently. Okay, so if you want to turn off this call to go out, you just need to pick on the cross at the top, and from now on our calling is disabled, is stopped. Let's click on the cross again, and here we have the whole time of our calling, of our meeting, video meeting, online meeting, and it's really very simple to control, to adjust and manage. So if this tutorial was interesting and useful, don't forget about likes. I really hope that you know how to manage your conversation on Instagram account, on the Instagram application. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out later more interesting features and tutorials about Instagram and other applications. Good luck to everyone. Bye bye.